what's up? Black Ice is coming at you with another one. Just getting ready to ride out, but before I do, as promised, I'm gonna go ahead and give you a quick review of my newest lid that my sweet Pookity got for me for Valentine's Day. It's part of my Valentine's Day. As you can see, it's a beautiful day out here, sunny, partly cloudy skies, but it's hot, man. It's in the mid 80s. I think we're breaking a record today for as far as high temperatures. We broke a record yesterday, and I think we're gonna break it again today. In the mid 80s in February. That's crazy. But anyway, and here he is. It is the newest addition to the helmet fleet. It is the Icon Air Flight, and the name of it, as you can see on the back, is Cat Scratch Fever. Now let me spin this thing back around and let me show you what this helmet has to offer. As you can see, all the incredible detailing on this helmet. You see the icon right here on the bottom. Cat Scratch Fever. So you see the cat design, graffiti-like designs on here. It's got this dope purple spoiler on the back. Purple is Sweet Pookity's favorite color, by the way. You can see some more of the cat designs on here, and also on the very top, it is very detailed, graffiti-like design. You see Icon on here again, and it does have a little hidden feature that I will show you a little bit later in the video. You see the purple visor. It came with two visors, a clear visor and this purple visor. Of course, I had to swap it out as soon as I got it. And pull this thing up. You can see what sets this bad boy off from most other helmets. Of course, with the Icon, you've got this big opening right here. So if you need to see, of course you check your mirrors first, but if you need to look and see if there's any traffic in your blind spots, most helmets, this part is covered up. So you got more of an open area here so that you can see better to check your blind spots. Of course, it's got this big vent here, and you got a couple air vents here. You got a couple more air vents. When you change your visors out, it's got this little your protector here, cover, so you won't see those gears like you do on most helmets. You'll see the gears where, you know, you change your visor up and down, in and out. But it's got these covers on here. They're real neat. You just have to make sure that you put them on and put them on correctly, or of course they'll probably blow out and then you have to pay arm and a leg to replace them. But this is my second Icon helmet, and I really love it. But let me advise you to order a size up when you get these Icon helmets, because the gripe about them is that they're a little snug. So just order a size up. But that's a good thing. You want your helmet to be snug when you ride, in case you unfortunately, in case you do crash or whatever, your helmet is snug so it won't come off on you. Like when I had my accident on my two wheels, the strap popped off, my helmet came off after it took the initial blow. These are so snug, your helmet will stay on and better protect you. Me, I ended up with a concussion. Probably won't with this snug helmet protecting you. So, and this is it. Later on in the video, I'll show you the hidden feature that took this helmet over the top for me. And we're gonna roll out for a minute and let's go ahead and get to it. So check back with you in a minute.
Alright, as you can see, I'm on the road. I am riding through, heading toward downtown No Pope. And one of the things that I didn't mention was the drop down shades that are also part of the Icon Air flight. But I'm loving this helmet. Tested it out on the road. I rode out to the lake, but that will be another video. So check for that one in a few days. But here I am riding to downtown Nohopoke. Sorry about my nasally voice, but my sinuses have been going haywire, so hold it to my head, not my heart. But I had to take advantage of this beautiful day, man. And don't forget, at the end of the video, there is a special feature that took this thing over the top. So I'm gonna get parked, people watch, and go back over the helmet. Let's go.
All right, y'all, I'm back. And as you can see, I am at historic downtown No Pope. All right now. And I just wanted to see how many people were taking advantage of this day. Still out here in these streets. As you can see, downtown No Port parking lot is all the parks. We're about to tear a tire up. All these parks are full for the most part. See, you can see the train tracks and all down there. You can see lily pads, No Port 5 a dime, City Cafe's right there. Got the toy shop right here, the barber shop here. Everlasting gift shop is right over here. Of course, there's Billy's Bar and Grill, and few people out eating on the outside, taking advantage of this day, man. And it's pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. So as you can see, everybody's out here just enjoying themselves, taking advantage of this gorgeous record-setting day in No Pope. And once again, there is carnage. That 2020 Can-Am Riker Rally. Every time I shoot, my doggone drink bottle decides it wants to rotate. But and I'm still loving this helmet too, man. Still loving the helmet. I had to pull the vents up a little bit because it was warm out here riding. That purple visor does give it a nice little pop, and the graffiti detailing on this thing, on the Cat Scratch Fever, it draws a lot of attention. Of course, you know it is the Icon Air flight, and I think I'm hooked on them right now. This is my second one. It's my 6th helmet, I think. I've got 2 Icons. I've got a built I've got 2 HJCs, and then I got the Carnage 2.0 custom helmet. So I'm about to hydrate real quick, man, and I think I'm gonna end this video here. Actually, I'm gonna enjoy the ride home, and probably go live on Facebook on the ride home. So please don't forget to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, tap that notification bell, so you will know when future videos are coming. Yeah, I do have to show one more feature on this helmet. So this is not the complete end to this video, but it is the end of this portion. So a little bit later on, I will show you what set this helmet over the top. Aside from that purple spoiler, the purple visor, the incredible detailing on this thing. Aside from all of that, there was one thing that took it over the top, and I'll show you it here after this one. So as always, watch out for that black ice on the road. Arrington all day. Deuces. Check that out. Check it out. It is glow in the dark. You see the cat scratch fever has been activated in the dark. And that's what set this thing over the top for me. And that is a good safety feature. It is a very good safety feature. Now I can turn the flash on and you'll see the helmet. There's the helmet right there, as you can see. Now when I turn this flash off, you see it. You see it. And that feature is what set this thing off. Once again, flash is on. Let me turn the flash off. And you see cat scratch fever there. So that is what set everything, that is what set it over the top. A nice little safety feature. And it's also on the other side as well. And you can see the detailing of the cat on the helmet there. So that is what set this helmet apart from anything else. And there you have it. Cat scratch fever, baby. That is it. One more time while I'm holding it in my hand. Turn this flash off and you see it. You see it. Let's turn this flash back on. And that's it. That's what set this thing apart from any other helmet to me. Icon Airflight Cat Scratch Fever. Glow in the dark. Thank you guys for tuning in to the video. And don't forget to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, tap that notification bell so you'll know when future videos are coming. As always, watch out for that black ice on the road. Arrington all day. Deuces.